Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck in an Island where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. It's pretty much my first evening here. It's somewhere around 5 o'clock I believe. I just got done editing one vlog, so I'm having it processing and stuff, but I smell something so good. Something smells so good in the street. I don't know what it is, but anyway, that's not the purpose of this. I'm trying to find something to eat, like a snack. They told me about a place called OXXO, which is kind of like a 7-Eleven, so let's see what's up with that. Alright, so I just got to the OXXO. I wonder what that even means, but any Mexican here that could tell me, you can drop a comment. But I did smell where that smell was coming from, and that's the hot dog place that my host told me does really good hot dogs and burgers and stuff. So that might be the very first place that I actually try something to eat. All right, now I'm inside. You guys can see my face pretty clearly, and yeah, it definitely feels like a 7-Eleven. I think I'm gonna pick up like some toilet paper. See, that's why I never got all these heavy stuff, because I can get some water here, which, you know, it's heavy. I couldn't walk all the way from Walmart with that, so I can get some water and some other stuff that's here. It's just like a 2-minute walk from where I'm staying. Yo, I just saw something I never seen in the US or even back in Jamaica. They have a 3-liter Pepsi. I've never seen that side before. Just walking around the store, most stuff are definitely American stuff, but there's stuff in here that are definitely Mexican. I see Mexican snacks. You know, it's just like in Jamaica where they make different products with different flavors that suit our taste buds. Yeah, it's the same thing here. I'm probably gonna buy a few of them so I can try them out to see, you know, exactly what they are like and see if there's any ones that I would like to take back home. Yo, another thing that's easy to see is that Mexicans love spicy things. Like most of the snacks have like spicy. It's crazy. And that I gotta kind of be worried about, because for me personally, when I have too much spicy food, alright, I do need to get something with like some vitamin C, maybe some pineapple juice. You know, I gotta keep myself like healthy so I don't get like sick over here eating all the different stuff. So yeah. So I see they got hot dogs there, but I don't know if I should serve it myself. Plus, I'm gonna try hot dogs tonight from the stand next door, so maybe not. Maybe just grab this. There's a pizza baguette, take it home, throw it into the microwave, and I should be good. Yeah, I'm gonna try that. Yo, look how small these pears are. This is $100. Just, oh, well, 130 Jamaican dollars for this small little thing. It's crazy, right? From my personal pear tree back home, like the pears are maybe 4 times the size of that. Yeah. So I pretty much just stopped by that place just to find out, like, you know, what is it, you know, what it's like there. I looked at the prices. Most things seem like $1, $2 or about. And they were pretty nice. But in the store just now, I was trying to find out about the hot dogs, but luckily I didn't, because those hot dogs right there, those hot dogs look good. Yo, bro, I know I'm gonna probably be doing like 2 videos from that place only, you know, but those hot dogs look good. But anyway, I was trying to figure out, like, yo, what was the price? Oh, look at that little chihuahua. He's gonna get crazy. He's about to get crazy. Where he at? You can't even see him. Oh my gosh, Mexican chihuahuas. It is another one. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I couldn't figure out like if I should have been like a self-serve situation. But anyway, that's fine. I got what I needed to get, and I'm telling you, that place that I just passed, you guys are gonna want to see that video, because all the way down there I was smelling the food. I was like, yo, where is that? What's that smell? Like, where's that coming from? And they said that they're open until 1 a.m. in the night. Bro. So I'm gonna go back home right now, warm this up. I'll tell you guys, you know, if this little store thing tastes good, what the snack tastes like, and start editing the other vlog, because I was feeling the munchies. You know, so as I'm walking, I'm trying to find different stuff, and I see a sign here that says hot dogs, papayas, hamburgers, and all those other stuff pointing that way. So maybe I'll check that on another day, see what's up with that. But yeah, so far I'm definitely realizing that it's a lot of Chihuahuas. I did ask someone once, like, because there's a place in Mexico called Chihuahua, and I was asking them, you know, oh, yo, husky right there, golden retriever, Labrador. Is it a Labrador? No. I can't remember the black and white one, or what the name is, but anyway, yeah. I am realizing that there's a lot of Chihuahuas so far. I've seen maybe like 5 on the way here, but I don't really want to put my camera in there because, you know, people's private property and stuff. All right, definitely back on my block. I'm almost home now. Pretty much looking at the house. You guys can see, man, like, just the whole environment of the place. Oh, there goes a bull mastiff. The whole environment of the place is just so. And my neighbor's dog is that one. This whole environment of the place is just like, I don't even know, like the sun even feels different here. It's kind of strange, but yeah, let me just go inside. So far I feel good. In terms of safety, I don't feel any way in harm or any danger and whatever. And having a camera too, people kind of know, like, you know, that I'm a tourist, so it's kind of good. Since I've been here, I've only seen 2 other black people and they were walking together, so yeah. Alright, so in this thing, it's basic. It does taste kind of like a pizza. It's alright. I just can't wait until tonight. But as I said, I was trying to render out my YouTube video. Some crash thing happened, I don't know, so it didn't finish downloading. But I'm kind of like super worried about like the internet speed. I'm not sure if it's gonna be able to like upload the vlogs like fast enough. But I'll test it out tonight. Hopefully it does, you know, go pretty good. But yeah, just now I did feel a little bit sad. You know, traveling by yourself is, there are pros and cons. I'll do a video on that soon. But like, there's like just me only, you know, most of those times, and I did feel a little bit like sad for a short second just now, but I'm good again. This pineapple juice is pretty good too. It's a pretty good pineapple juice. It's alright. One thing I'm not gonna do, like, I was thinking about like putting some ice cubes in it. I'm not gonna do it because I'm trying to stay away from like the water. Like, that's one thing that, it's like when you're in any country, if you start drinking like the pipe water, like there's a high chance that you can get like, you know, like an irritated stomach. So I'm not gonna do that. If it's not from a bottle or something like that, nah. All right, let's try these snacks. Like, I think I've seen this somewhere before. I don't know if this was like in the US or if this was in Mexico, I don't know, but I've seen this brand before. Let's see what it tastes like. Okay, at first I thought it was like a Cheeto, but it's like, it's rolled up in this way. But yeah, okay, let's see. Wow. So it tastes like a tortilla. I guess that's why it's rolled up like this. It's a rolled up tortilla. The lime is the part that's getting me. It's that soury type of taste, and it's pretty sour. They got that part accurate. And like when you eat the Lay's, the sour cream and onions, and it's not like sour cream isn't that sour. This is definitely a lemon. Wow. I don't know how they got like the lemon flavor on it, but the lemon flavor is accurate, bro. I can see why people would like this. I can definitely respect that. Why they would like it, especially because it reminds them of the best things, which is spiciness, tortilla, and the lime. But for me, it wouldn't be a snack that I'm like, yo, I'm gonna try this every day. That's pretty good. But I wouldn't be buying this every day. That sour is getting me, man. Alright, so this isn't so bad. It says it's at 5% and it got like 2 hours and 51 minutes, which isn't so bad to be quite honest. So that means I should be able to upload like 2 videos a day without even thinking too hard about it. So that's good. Alright, so me and my lady back there, we're about to continue doing our business that we've been doing, which is editing vlogs. Yeah. And I'm gonna go get some shut eyes afterwards too, because my eyes are getting red. That's what I forgot to get at the store. I forgot to get some eye drops because I got dry eyes. That's one of the reasons why I kind of want to slow down on doing my job, because my other job was like, sometimes I'll be doing like 10 hours around the computer just looking at it. With YouTube is a bit different, you know. I can spend more time actually living, and then maybe I'll spend like 3 hours at the end of the day just to edit some vlogs, which is a good win-win for me. But anyway guys, I'm gonna leave you here. Then when I get back up, I'm gonna go out there and go get my dinner. Right now, it's about 7:49, so maybe I'll go out there maybe about 10 o'clock, shoot that video for you guys, show you that experience. And until then, remember these 2 things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.